All right, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the function of the third segment of the Pixellab interface. In this series, we have divided the Pixellab interface into 5, right? We have done that. So we have the top one. We have dealt with the first, the second, and this is the third. And the third one here is your canvas, your workspace, where all your designs are being displayed, where you see all the stuffs you do. Is that okay? And that's what we have over here. All right. Now, what should you know about this guy? The first thing is that the background, you cannot move it, you cannot edit this background, this green gradient, you cannot edit it. It's static. That's why the new text, this text is the only thing moving. You cannot move this. And when you check your layers, you see it's not part of your layer. So it's not a layer. It's like the skin, right? Okay, so the next thing is that whatsoever that will be visible in your design must be on this canvas. So if I mistakenly drag this guy, the new text, out of the canvas, it will not show in my design. So if you mistakenly do that, how do you bring it back? All you need to do is click on undo. Is that okay? As simple as that. Now just imagine that you have mistakenly done it, and you have done a lot of stuffs. After this one has been brought down, what will you do? Just go to your layers, select that particular layer, then come back to the options, which is a text. You click this A icon, which is a shape. You click this polygon icon. So okay, now it is a text. Then you select position, then you just click on this till it's back on the canvas. Then after it's back, click OK. Then you can put it where it should be, right? Okay. Now another thing you should know about the canvas is that you can change the size. And a quick warning here: whatsoever size you want to work on or work with, make sure you change the size at the beginning. Set the size of it at the beginning. Is that okay? It's very, 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 very important, because if you don't do that, if you eventually change your size when you're done with the design, it can trim off some part of your design, and you wouldn't like that. So how do you do that? We treated it in one of our tutorials. Just come to options and click on image size. Then you can change it from here, and you can make use of the options here. Is that okay? Alright, so it's as simple as that. Alright, so that's the major thing about it. And you might want to ask me, how can you change the background? There are several ways to change the background, and we'll look into that in another tutorial. Is that okay? So just check our videos, you see it there. All right, see you another time.